Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a resume format in Microsoft Word. First, open Microsoft Word and choose a new blank document. You will then explore the many built-in resume templates available directly within the software. Carefully select a template that best aligns with your professional field and your level of experience. Look for designs that offer clean layouts and clear, distinct section headings to ensure readability and a polished appearance. Next, personalize your chosen template by replacing all placeholder text with your own unique information. Begin by entering your contact details accurately. Then, update the objective or summary statement to clearly reflect your specific career goals and aspirations. Proceed to detail your work experience, including your job titles, the companies you worked for, and the exact dates of employment. Finally, list your educational background, including any degrees earned and relevant certifications. To enhance your resume's visual appeal, adjust the font styles and sizes for optimal readability. Typically, 11 or 12 points work well for body text. Ensure you use consistent heading styles for major sections like experience and education to maintain a professional look. Incorporate bullet points effectively to highlight your key achievements and responsibilities. Also, confirm that your document margins are set to 1 inch on all sides, which is a standard professional presentation. Before finalizing, meticulously proofread your entire resume for any grammatical errors, spelling mistakes, or typos. Double-check for consistent formatting throughout the document, ensuring all elements align perfectly. It is crucial to save your resume as both a Microsoft Word document for future edits and as a PDF file for wider compatibility and to preserve its layout. Finally, print a physical copy to review the layout and overall appearance one last time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.